I came across this thought that there comes a point in life when we realize being nice all the time is actually hurting us, because you are the one always keep adjusting, keep understanding, and you are the one who is keep giving chances, and slowly you lose yourself. Not because you are a bad person, but you never told them where your boundaries actually ends. Because in psychology, it says boundaries are not about controlling others, but they are about protecting our nervous system. Because when you do not set your boundaries, your brain is always on fight or flight mode, and it tries to replay all the conversation and all the situations, and it slowly turns into silence. All the resentment you have is slowly turned into silence, and the silence slowly turn into anxiety. It actually does. आप सोचेंगे कि क्यों होता है, बट एक्चुअली द साइलेंस दैट इज टर्निंग इनटू एंजाइटी, that makes you feel heavy all the time. But the moment you realize that you do not belong to that place, you deserve better, and you know that you need to be somewhere better, so you ask yourself that you need space. So something a little shift in your brain, and it tries to make it a safe space for you. And when the brain feels safe, growth begins there. And to be honest, जो सबसे emotionally strong people होते हैं, they are not the loudest one, but they are the clearest one. They know what they tolerate and what they don't tolerate, and where they stand. And when you try to set boundaries, it never pushes people away. When you set boundaries, it only pushes away the manipulators. And when you try to set boundaries, if someone gets angry, it means they are getting benefit. If if, if you are setting boundary and someone is getting angry from with that, if you are trying to set boundaries and someone gets angry with that, it means they are getting benefited from not having ones. And growth is not about becoming harder to yourself or becoming harder to someone else, but it is about becoming clearer about your time, your energy, and your emotional capacity, how much emotionally you are able to bear. And maturity is not actually about everything that accepting everything, that I have accepted this, I have accepted that. Maturity is only about choosing what aligns with your peace, because peace is the foundation of psychological growth. Peace is the foundation of real psychological strength. Peace is the foundation of real psychological strength. And the moment you stop explaining your limits with guilt, you start respecting without fear, and that is growth. And the moment you stop explaining your limits with guilt, you start respecting yourself without fear, and that is the growth where it happens. So this is my video for day 16. I hope I will show up for the 17 one. See you in the next one.